Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On a Google Chrome web page, you want to click on the three dots menu button in the top right-hand corner of the page. Now select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the Settings page, click Advanced from the left sidebar. Then select Reset and Cleanup from the Advanced drop-down. On the Reset and Cleanup page, click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings on the pop-up. Your Google Chrome has now been reset to its default settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chrome tips and tricks.